In this lesson, we're going to calculate a percentage. So if we have a problem like this one that says 56 is what percent of 80, write your answer as a percentage. So we're going to use two methods to do this, okay? We're going to use a proportion first to find the answer. And a proportion looks like this. There's a part over a whole, which equals the percent over 100, okay? Remember that a percent is 1 part out of 100. So we're trying to find what percent out of 100 the part is out of the whole. So in this case, the whole is 80 and the part is 56. Okay? So now we can use the equation here to fill in the numbers. So 56 over 80 equals percent over 100. So we just need to solve for percent to figure out what the number is. Solve for the unknown, percent. So to get rid of the fractions, multiply both sides by 100 and multiply both sides by 80. Okay, so we're going to multiply by 80 and 100, both sides. And I'll show you why we do that at the end. So it's just to get rid of all the fractions. So multiply times 100 times 80 on this side, and then 100 times 80 on this side. Now we can cross out the numbers that cancel each other out. So this cancels itself out here, and then this cancels itself out here. So when we rewrite the equation, we are left with 100 times 56 equals 80 times percent. So we don't have any more fractions in the bottom. But now we need to isolate percent, okay? We need to isolate this to get the answer. So divide both sides by 80. Okay, so divide both sides by 80 and it'll get rid of this 80 on this side. So then you'll have percent by itself. So 100 times 56 is 5,600. Now we divide both sides by 80, okay? And now we're going to cross out what cancels each other out. And the 80s cancel each other out. So what we're left with is percent equals 70, 70%, okay? Now we're going to use our other method. So find the answer by writing and solving an equation. So we kind of already did that, but let's look at it another way. Let's look at a part equals percentage of whole. Okay, let's use that equation. We know the part is 56, the whole is 80, and then percentage is percent over 100. To isolate percent, divide both sides by 80. Okay, we're going to get rid of this 80 here. Okay, so divide both sides by 80. These two are going to cancel out. Okay, so cross out the numbers that cancel. And then we're left with this. Percent over 100 equals 56 over 80. So now we need to further isolate percent. So finish isolating percent by multiplying both sides by 100. So if we multiply 100 on this side and this side, we can cancel these ones out. So let's see how that looks. Okay, it looks like that. Now we can cancel out the 100s. And then we'll be left with percent equals just these numbers, and you can just multiply those out. Percent equals 70%. And those are equivalent ways to do it. And you can decide which way is easier for you. And if you don't understand this, don't worry, you could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. I also have other problems that are similar to this that I've done. You can find those in the description below, links to the videos. As well, You could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in there, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. And the ebook has a link, it'll take you right to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.